Welcome to the Google Classroom Master Course. My name is Larry Oguntoye, the Inspirational. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to move and edit classes in Google Classroom. At the end of this unit, you'll be able to move and edit the classes you already created in your Google Classroom. So let us begin. So go to your Google Classroom homepage and you have all the classes that you've curated or been invited to showing as cards in the Google Classroom homepage. So how do you move a class to a particular location? Now, first, what's the essence of rearranging your classroom or moving your classroom? Sometimes you could have up to 20 classes curated that you are involved with, but some classes maybe once a week, and while some classes maybe 3 times a week you take them. So you may want the classes you visit or you engage often to be at the top. That's just the essence of rearranging the classroom. So basically, you can right click on any of the class and move, right click, hold and move to position you want it to be. So I want this particular class to be at the last. So you can see I'll move it to the last. Okay, I want to move this particular class back to the last position, so I move it back to the last position. So that is one way to move your class and change their position. Second method by which you can move your class, you could look at each of the class cards. You have 3 tiny dots at the top right hand corner. Click the dots, the 3 tiny dots, and you're going to have a drop down. They are actually called the more button. Okay, so the drop down gives you move, edit, copy, archive. So I'm clicking move. So I click move. It's telling me where do I want to move this class, because the class is the first at the beginning. So where do I want to move the class? So I want the class to come third. So that means it's going to be after copy test. So I click it and the class is now on the third position. So if I want the class to come last, so I click on the more button again, I click on move, and I click on this particular last class here, so that the class will now come after creating an appealing profile here. So I click this, so and I have my teach storage courses as the last course. So those are the 2 ways by which you can move or rearrange your class in the Google Classroom homepage. Now, the third thing we want to consider will be how to edit a particular class. Okay, so I have created this class, for example. Now I want to edit it, maybe change the title or something. So just click on the more button, the 3 tiny dots at the top right hand corner, and you can see edit as one of the drop downs. So I click edit. So it brings out this particular class profile for me, so I can change the name of my class. This was copy, okay, test. Okay, so I want to just write machine test. That's the name of the new class that I want to give it. Machine, test. Okay, so I just click save. When you have changed all you needed to change, click save. So as it's saving, you can see the name of this class has been changed to machine test. So in this particular unit, we have seen how to move a class and how to edit a particular class, how to move. And so we have been able to see how to move, how to edit, and how to move in 2 ways: by right clicking and moving the cards, or by clicking the more button so that you can get the drop down from where you select your edit. I will see you in the next unit. Before then, always remember that every teacher carries a womb that births the prosperity of the nation. See you in the next unit.